Welcome to Tips and Tricks Tuesdays with Venture Café Rotterdam. Today we bring you 7 tips to create a diverse and inclusive environment as a female leader. During our female leadership session, our panel discussed ways in which to incorporate diversity and inclusion in the work environment, leading to our top tips today. Number 1, ask for your company's diversity and inclusion policy. Knowing this, you can ask yourself what actions can you take to contribute to these policies. Number 2, identify your strengths and use them. Consider what your feminine power is and how you can bring that to the table. Number 3, be your true self. Authenticity makes a big difference and truly allows empowerment. Number 4, know your value. If you know your own value, you will be able to confidently communicate this to others. Number 5, understand that everyone can be insecure. We all get insecure sometimes, therefore being empathic to one another is a good quality to have. Number 6, continuously evaluate your choices and decisions. We all have unconscious bias and tend to mirror ourselves, and this should be avoided at all costs. Number 7, engage and help other women on their journey. We are all on our own path to success, so let's empower one another to get there. Want more details? Attend our sessions, which can be found on venturecaferotterdam.org. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips. See you in the next video.